Okay, so we are in Puerto Morelos and we are at an ice cream shop. I am trying to get the name of the shop. This is it. They have outside seating that you can see. So cute. And these are the ones they have. Okay, so that's the name. Pana, A, whatever that is. And then these are the different flavors that they have. Let's go check it out. Hi. So there, lovely painting. Oh, how cute. Ugh. There's a cake outside already. Check this out. You can have a personalization, I guess. And then these are the coffee grinds that you can get. Coffee kava, interesting. So they have nut bars, chocolates. What is that? Elote, muffin, banana, the vegan muffin, chocolate, muffin. Truffles, marzipan. That looks good too. I'm not that hungry because we just had empanadas at the empanada lady. And that's the fig bar. And then one more look at the painting. Oh, the gelatos too. Oh, that's your loop. Some drinks. More seating. Ooh, look at what we have here. The mango. Whoa. Nice. Marzipan. What is that? Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Oh, vanilla. Oh. Oh, my bad. Okay. Interesting. Oreos. Nice. Did you like something?
I'm always doing for mango. The strawberry looks good too, but I think the mango. There's also the Selva Negra, which is interesting. Cherry and chocolate.
Okay, so let's see what we go for. I wanted to also show you quickly this little section that they have, coffee makers. How cute is this small one? So nice Christmas gifts, I guess. No? For the little ones. Nice display. Okay, so this is it, guys. Let's see what we get. Okay, so here's the verdict. So we tried the chocolate and it is super delicious. We tried the marzipan, which is also very good. So if you are a marzipan lover, you're gonna like it. The strawberry didn't hit the right spot for us, but the mango again, guys. Oh my god, that was so good. So we're getting like a cup of double scoop, 1 scoop of mango, and 1 scoop of the double chocolate. We also tried, what did we try? Strawberry, we tried the marzipan, and we tried the mango, and we tried the chocolate. Yeah, I wanted to try the Ferrero Rocher, but then I was like, no, never mind, this is good. We made up our minds with the mango and the chocolate. So you might want to try the flavors that you really like. And then I was also tempted to try the cinnamon, by the way, but I didn't try it. I was just really happy with the mango and chocolate. So try and see what you like, and I'm sure you're going to love whatever ice cream you choose from this cute little charming shop in Puerto Morelos. Like and subscribe, guys. Here it is, guys. I wanted to show you. Check this out. Nice dark chocolate. And the mango, I tell you. That mango is bomb. Like, if You are gonna love it. If you're a mango lover, you are really going to love it. And the dark chocolate. Perfecto.